Check this out, guys. See how this backhoe rebuilding. Rebuilding a backhoe can involve several steps, including the full wing assessment and disassembly, which the first step in rebuilding a backhoe is to assess its condition and determine what needs to be done. This may involve taking apart the backhoe to see which parts need to be replaced or repaired. Then cleaning and inspection. Once the backhoe has been disassembled, it's important to thoroughly clean and inspect each part. This will help identify any cracks, wear and tear, or other damage that needs to be addressed. Followed by repair or replacement. Based on the inspection, some parts may need to be repaired or replaced. This can include hydraulic cylinders, pumps, hoses, and other components. Also reassembly. Once all of the necessary repairs and replacements have been made, the backhoe can be reassembled. This involves putting all of the parts back together, making sure everything is properly aligned and tightened. Finally, the testing procedure. The rebuilt backhoe should be tested to make sure it's working properly. This may involve running it through a series of tests to check the functionality of each component. In summary, rebuilding a backhoe can be a complex process that requires a fair amount of mechanical knowledge and skill. It's important to follow manufacturer guidelines and safety procedures to ensure that the rebuilt backhoe is safe and reliable. If you don't have the expertise to rebuild a backhoe by yourself, it may be best to hire a professional to do the job like this company do.